Hello guys, ako si King X and this is my first video. First video ko to guys. Let's play na. First video in the first time in forever ko to. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel please. If you like and subscribe, pogi kayo. Okay? Okay, good. So, we're playing Brookhaven. Ang gagawin lang natin ay simple. Rob a bank. Okay, rob a bank. Rob a bank. Okay, let's play na. Let's rob a bank. Oh, lagi. So, pag ako'y magra-rob ng bank, ang kailangan ko ay the secret bag. Secret bag. Here, the secret bag. Ay, binuha ko. Why you bunggu-bunggumi? Why you bunggu-bunggumi? Okay, good. Hindi na ako. So, secret bag na to, meron siyang baril. Meron siyang bam! Kabush! Bam. Yeah, bam. It's just rob a bank. To rob a bank, you need the van. So, pipili lang dito ng van. Iyon, pogi na van. So, ilalagay lang natin sa van natin. Yan! Pogi! Ay, miss! Ba't ka sumakay? Gusto mo bakit ang kidnapin? So guys, to rob a bank, you need to cover your face. Because you're pogi. If you don't cover your face, all the girls will faint to poginess. Yeah. Let's go. Toot! Toot! Tururururut! Let's just play. Come on. Tun 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 tararong tararong tung 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 nong 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 tung tung parnong tung tung. So guys, nandito na tayo sa bank. Brookhaven Bank. So today, we're gonna rob a bank. Kakasabi ko palang paulit-ulit ako. Sorry guys. We need to park our van. This is the proof that we are not a robber. Because it's sabi dito sa van natin, not a robber. Kaya hindi tayo robber. Okay. Let's play. First, you need the gun. Second, you need the silencer for the ATM. No, hindi. For the worker na para pag binaril ko siya, ganito. Para pag binaril ko siya, okay guys, take 2. Para pag binaril ko siya, tatahimik siya. Ha? Para pag binaril ko siya, hindi maingay. So, kukuhanin natin to. Tapos, tun. Tataas tayo. Now, this is the fun part. Fun part. Yawn. Fun part. Yeah. You need the bomb. Get the bomb in your secret bag. See? Now, ay. Sorry guys, wrong place. Wrong place ulit. This is how you rob a bank. Para pogi na pagraramdam bank. You put it right there. And buy vault. Now, for this we need the special power. We need the flashlight. See, to make it light para may ilaw. My goodness. Ayun ang pulis, parinig ko. Takbo, takbo, takbo. Takbo. Parinig ko, binuksan niya na yun ang bolt. Tayin natin. Tayin natin. Okay. Parinig ko, binuksan yung bolt. Tatakbo na ako, tatakbo. Tayin natin. Tara. Takbo. Ayun na ba yun? Ay, good. Takbo. Takbo. Guys, nahabol na ako ng pulis. Hinahanap niya yata ako. Takbo. Okay, yung secret base. I knew it. May pulis na nga. Joke lang, hindi ko pa alam. Pero naparinig ko yung vault, yung pinto ng vault na buksan. Hindi, yung pinto ng bank na buksan. Yung ginagamitan ng keycard. Yun. Okay. To-drive na ako. Okay. Okay. Meron ng tao. Wala. So guys, sa apartment muna tayo magstay. Meron ako dito, oh. Meron akong money. The bag full of money. That is how you rob a bank. And let's just buy an apartment. Let's just go. Lalag ako. May nakasakay sa akin. Sino yan? May pilay na bata. Hey miss, pilay ka ba? Ba't ka nandyan sa wheelchair? Gusto mo ba tang kidnapin? Okay, kidnap na po siya guys. Ay no, wala. Joke lang, hindi ko siya nidlap ko lang po siya, hindi ko po siya girlfriend or by any chance. Not a chance. A robber should not have a girlfriend or a pogi boyfriend. No, I mean Okay, good. We're gonna park with our special guest. Let's park. Hey, wheelchair guy. Let's say she's a banker. Hi. Oh, you want to carry me? Okay, come back. What the hell? Bye! Oh my goodness! I don't want her! She's a kidnapper! Run! Okay. Nakatakbo naman ako. Okay, let's now buy an apartment. Apartment. Pabili po. Ano po yun? Ano nga po? Yung luxury apartment. Sige po, pindutin nyo na lang. Ito po pala bayad ko. Thank you po. It costs 3,888 million trillion billion quadrillion. Okay, thank you po. Ito po. Oh, shh! Okay, done. Sunodin ko na daw, sabi ni Miss. May 1 million pa po kayo sukle. Ay, keep the change na po yung piso. Ay, okay po. Piso pa lang pala. Ay, okay. Game na. Okay. Kung gusto niyo po i-add friend, ito po yung username ko. Okay, done. Ayun na. Ayun nga pala, hindi pa ako nakakapili ng apartment. Hindi pa nakakapili na. Ay, nakapili na ba ako? Hindi pa nga. Let us pili. It folds. I like to see wiggle. Nag-glitch ba? So guys, glitching is the glitch. Glitching is the glitch. So guys, ay okay. Kala ko glitch. Sorry guys. Ano to? Bagong map kasi to. Records. Brookhaven records. Kala ko guys nag-glitch. Tagal ko na kasi hindi naglalaro ng Brookhaven. Ano ba naman kayo? Ba't parang lock? Ay, okay. Sorry guys, naglalag. Hina ng wifi. Close ko lang yan para hindi makapasok yung kinidnap kong babae kanina. Nakalak na ba? Hindi pa nakalak mo. Ay, okay, nakalak na. Ay, takbo, bilisan mo! May lalaki! SWAT! Hi! Who are you? Hi! Ganto. To prove I'm not a robber, I'm gonna do this. I'm not a robber. Let's text him. I'm not a robber. I'm not a robber, leave me alone. Let's just open na lang natin. Baka paparilin ka sa una. Sino wala? Ay, si Superman. Pala. No! Tumakbo ka! You will never attack me. I will fire you. Ay, may coffee. Hey, I would love some coffee. Let's get in. Did I just escape the cop? Okay. Good thing hindi niya nakuha yung 1 million ko. Sayaw tayo. Celebration! Okay. Magsasayaw na tayo. Okay, where is the dance? Dance 15. Yeah, it's my favorite dance. Ching ching Beijing corn. Dance 19 because 19 is my birthday. Galing. Galing. Nagkakarate pa yan. Naikot pa yan. Nag-hello pa yan. Okay. Ang paka-favorite dance ko yan. Ito. Saan ba yun? Yan. Favorite dance. Just sleep. May bedroom ba dito? To bedroom to. Bedroom yata to. Oo nga, bedroom. Ay, sorry. Kala ko bedroom, guys. Kala ko bedroom. So, ang gagawin natin ay matulog na lang tayo sa bathroom. Bathroom. Ay, hindi. Huwag na pa sa bathroom. Saan na lang? Doon na lang sa sofa. Because I'm so fast rubbing. Get it? Ay. Let's just rest. Okay guys, naglalag ako. Ayun. So, guys, that is how you rob a bank. That is how you rob a bank. Guys, don't do it in real life or pangit kayo. Joke lang, joke lang yun. Pag nag-rob kayo sa totoong buhay, you will get arrested. You will never escape. You will just have to eat something over and over again. That is not good. So, please don't rob anything or you're going to jail. Okay? That is all. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Tatsi bayo. Tut turut.